Alright, I got more packs. So let's take a look at these, and I got 10 more packs. So we'll see how these go, see if I pick up anything else. Let's see. And alright, so I got looks like Bombshell. He is going to be a common. Crap, I already got one of him, so hopefully I can trade him. And let's see what I got in the cards here. Alright, so let's get a little bit closer here so we can see the cards. Alright, so I got Handheld Laser for my common, Supercharge, Rapid Conversion, Repair Bay, and my rare is going to be Heroism. There we go. And then the uncommon is going to be Disruptive Entrance. And then the other uncommon is going to be Bug Bomb. So I don't know about that pack. Wasn't too happy. I figured that the first time that I'd actually pull the duplicate character card, I'd probably cry, which, yeah, it does kind of hurt. Alright, so let's take a look. We got Insecticon Scrapnel. Scrapnel? I thought it was Shrapnel. Okay. That is going to be a looks like that is the rare. I believe that's the rare. So that's pretty cool. So I believe that I got all of the Insecticons now, so that's pretty cool. Put him there. And let's see what we got. Let's see what we got in this pack. Okay, so for the commons, we got Reinforced Plating, Supercharge, Datapad, Piercing Blaster, Fusion... Oh, sorry. The rare is going to be Fusion Cannon. And then Debilitating Crystal is going to be the uncommon. I got a bunch of these now. Crushing Treads is going to be the uncommon for these. So I'll put those off to the side here. And let's get another pack out of here. Let me move this back a little bit so you can see me. Okay, so I got Jetfire. That's pretty cool. I wonder what he is. He is looks like an uncommon. So let's put him there. That's pretty cool. I don't believe that I have him. Let's take a look at these. And for the commons, I get a Drill Arms, Flamethrower, Improvised Shield, Scrapper, Gauntlets. Cybertonium Bow is going to be my my rare for this one. And then Grenade Launcher is going to be the other uncommon, and Turbo Boosters is going to be the last uncommon here. So I don't believe I got that one, so that's pretty cool. Look here. Ooh, got a Bumblebee. That's pretty cool. I don't believe he is like a rare or anything like that. He's a common, but he's kind of a cool card to get, I believe. Let's see if I can get that a little bit better. There we go. And let's put him down here, see what we get for the uncommons and rares in this one. Let's see. So for commons, we get primary laser, we get medic, battle ready, rapid conversion. Rare is going to be shock absorbers. The uncommon is going to be multi-tool, and then a plasma burst for the other uncommon. So blah. Okay, so we'll put those there. And let's get another pack out here. And we get Ransack. Let's see what he is. He's uncommon. Uncommon Insecticon. He looks pretty cool. He might be a nice character. I think I might actually have an Insecticon deck here. That'd be pretty cool. And let's take a look, see what we get for the uncommons and rares. Let's see. Ray for Action is common. Repair Bay. Inspiring Leadership. New Designs. Databank is going to be start. Let's see. Rare. At the start of your turn, draw a card. Okay. Then for the uncommon, we have Disruptive Entrance. I think I already got one of those just in this pack opening here. Swap missions. Untap one of your tapped characters, tap one of your untapped characters. That's kind of cool. It's got a defensive on that, so we'll put those here. Those over here, and open these guys up. Let's see. Ooh, Hound. That's pretty cool. So Hound, let's see his other side here. He's going to be a common. He was a pretty cool Transformer back in the day. I always wanted him, but I never did get him. So at least I got him in card form now, huh? All right. Oh God, I don't want to bend the crap out of these cards, but I'm too excited to get through these. Common card Brainstorm, that's a pretty cool card there. Crushing Size for common. Incoming Transmission, draw 2 cards, put a card from your hand on top of your deck. That's a pretty good card. Leap into Battle, blah, blah, blah. Rare is going to be System Reboot. Each player scraps their hand and draws 4 cards. Almost looks like Soundwave there, so. Okay, oh, another Soundwave here. Let's see, uncommon, multi-mission gear, and then, oh, ramming speed, can scrap an enemy upgrade with that, so that's the other uncommon, so that's pretty neat. Alright, and let's get another pack here. Ugh, this was a tough one. Okay, and we have, alright, Flame War. That's pretty cool. It's been a common. Can't remember if I got this or one of my friends got this. It kind of all blurs together in all the openings we've been doing. So let's see what we got on the action cards and everything. Alright, common, Zap, armored plating, handheld blaster, force field. The rare is going to be Null Ray of Starscream. Love me some Starscream. So, and then you got the uncommon, which is going to be Backup Plan, Treasure Hunt. That's going to be the last uncommon, so we'll stick them in there. And we got 3 more to go here. Let's see. Ooh, got a Dinobot. I think this might be one of my first Dinobots. Snarl. Let's see what he is. It looks like he's an uncommon. Oop, dropped him there. Oops. pick him back up here, put him back on the stack. And let's see what we got in our other cards here. And another brainstorm, so that'll be good. I want to get 3 of those so I can do a deck. Piercing blaster. Data pad is the other common. Last common is going to be battle ready. And the rare is going to be security checkpoints. Each player reveals their hand and scraps all upgrades from it. That's kind of a weird card. Aerial recon. Let's see. And emergency maintenance. That's another uncommon there. So we'll put them here. 2 to go. Let's see. What do we get for this one? Ooh, Prowl. Prowl's a cool one. He was a cool guy in the cartoon back in the day. And let's take a look at him. And for Prowl, oh, what is he again? Oh, he's uncommon. So that's going to be an uncommon card. Incoming transmission, zap, leap into battle, inspiring leadership, static laser of Ironhide. God, another freaking debilitating crystal, uncommon. And then swap missions, so I believe that's kind of the second one out of this pull that I've been doing here. And this is going to be the last pack. This is going to be it. This is going to have a cool card, right? The rare, super rare, whatever. If not, oh well. Well, I see an Optimus Prime. So it's going to be a common Optimus Prime. So I think I already got an Optimus Prime in my last pull. So this is going to be some trade stock here. So I got a couple duplicates here. And let's see what my action cards here and what I get out of these. And reinforced plating, supercharged, data pad. Got plenty of data pads now, I believe. Piercing blaster. Bombing run is going to be the rare for this one. And armed hovercraft. It's going to be the uncommon. And then you're going to have strafing run as the last uncommon and last card of the opening here today. So anyway, hope you enjoyed that. And if you like these videos, or you like comic books, or you like toys or anything like that, check out my other videos. Make sure to get subscribed if you like that sort of stuff, and hit the bell so you don't miss some of my upcoming videos that I'm going to be doing. So anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.